Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Today we're actually going to be finishing one of the most requested videos I have had on my channel, and that's to finish Thomas' interior. We're finally going to be getting the chance to paint his door panels, and let's take a look how they look right now. You guys know we did the seats and the carpets, the dashboard. The only thing left is the door panels. Let me take a look at the dashboard. Yeah, guys, here goes the dashboard. We're about to go ahead to O'Reilly's, pick up the paint we use, and hopefully we get all the door panels done today. Okay, we just picked up 2 of the cans for the door panels. As you can tell in the dashboard, it looks very clean. Me and Thomas were looking at the carbon fiber wrap thingy, so we might be doing that to Thomas' interior next. Alright guys, we just pulled up back to the house. Thomas is cleaning up his door panels. I'm about to go ahead and back up my car. That way we have more space to work on the car and put the door panels on. Then guys, look how dirty my car is. It's been sitting under a tree and all the leaves are falling off, but let's go ahead and back this baby up. For some reason, I can never keep my car clean. No matter what I do, I can go get it waxed or something, but I can never keep it clean. Where I live, we got dirty roads with a lot of sand, so you know we gotta do what we gotta do. But let's go ahead and take these door panels out because it's starting to get late. All right guys, so right now we're about to go ahead and clean up the door panels and get all the grease out, all the dirt out. That way the paint can stick very good. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the door panel, remove all the trim pieces, all the little buttons, and go ahead and lay them out on a little table, and we'll go ahead and paint them. We'll show one side doing it, and the other side y'all see it when it's done. So let's go ahead and get this done. Guys, I don't know if you can tell how dirty the door panels were, but this little wipey is already like all disgusting. I gotta go wash my hands. I should have used gloves for this, but I'm about to go ahead and take the trim pieces out and get this done. Alright guys, we're about to go ahead and remove the trim. We don't have the extra special bar. I don't know what the little tool is called, but I'm gonna try to take out this carefully because Thomas does got a little crack right here, and I don't want to break it more, so we're gonna remove it slowly. So here we go. Damn. There you go. Okay. Alright, we're also gonna remove this little piece. I think you gotta remove it, and there's a bolt under there. We really need the other tool. I'm gonna take it out gently. Should come out. Okay, we'll just go ahead and disconnect this little part. There you go. Okay guys, so officially we thought it was only 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts, and we was trying to pull it off and it wouldn't come off until Thomas pointed out that there were 2 bolts down here. You gotta remove clips that look like this. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Something that look like that, and then remove the 2 bolts, and then the door panel should come off like this. Just disconnect all the harnesses and everything.
You gotta be careful taking it out, right?
Yep. And yeah, we didn't break nothing, so that's always good. So let's go ahead and take this out and paint it. Okay guys, I'm about to go ahead and paint the door panel. We maxed off the little handle piece. I know we don't do everything the right way, but you know, we do it our way and we get it done, and it's still the same results. So for all the haters that comment always saying, oh y'all don't do it the right way, oh y'all do it the ghetto way, who cares, bro? Stop watching my videos. Alright guys, we just gave it the first coat, a little light coat. While we let this dry out, we're about to go ahead and take all the door panels out and get them all painted. So let's get this front door panel out. Hopefully it's easier than the back one and don't have much bolts. Guys, look how that door panel look. It was all ugly. I don't know how Thomas could have got into it, but look, we did like 3 coats already on this door panel. It looks very good. It looks like mine. Hopefully we get this one done. We gotta max that little door handle out and everything will be good. Right now we're about to go ahead and take the thumbnail just in case it gets dark.
Doing a good job.
I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments saying why y'all painting your interior, go back to Hondas. I don't care. I don't care, to be honest. I'm gonna do what I want to do with my car, and I got a lot of supporters down in the comments below that saying that we're doing good. So shout out to all of y'all. I see the comments. I try to heart and comment every comment. Y'all got my back. Let's prove these haters wrong. And it's crazy because we came far away from this interior than what it was. I'm gonna try to play some old clips. I don't know if I'm gonna find them through my files where we first painted Thomas seats. That interior was a mess, and now it's slowly but surely coming together, and we're doing pretty good. Alright guys, we about to go ahead and paint these. That way we can get the door panels some time to dry, and hopefully it comes out all good. Alright guys, we about to go ahead and just put all the pieces back together. Put the door panels in, connect everything back up, and show some little cinematics how they look. I think they turned out very good. I'm telling you, I'm surprised how well this paint sticks to the this type of material, like door panels. The seats were okay, the carpets were okay, but the dashboard and the door panels, they dry in like 2 minutes, and you can touch it and nothing, it won't come off or nothing. I'm telling you, this looks very good. Actually, it wasn't that hard taking off the door panels, right, Thomas? It took literally this one took the longest. It took about like 10 minutes trying to figure out where all the little screws were, but we got them out. And the door panel looks very good. I mean, I'm telling you, for $7 you cannot beat this. I'd rather pay $7 than paying I don't know how much a new door panel is, like $100, I don't know. But looks very good. Let's go ahead and put this all back together because we're running out of light, and we'll get some cinematics for you guys. Alright guys, we got this door panel on. Looks very good. Comment down below what you think, because I think it looks very good. It looks like mine, or if not newer. But let's go get the front door panels and all the door panels on. So I'm not gonna record that. Let's go. Alright guys, well, I think I'm about to go ahead and end the video right now. Drop a like if you like it, leave some positive comments. We finally got this interior done. The only thing next is to get our headliner done, but we're not gonna paint that. We're gonna do that like some new material like sway or something. I don't know what I want to do, but Thomas finally got this thing done. If you don't like it, just go and click on the very first video we ever painted the interior. I think it's gonna be somewhere up here where we painted the seats red. You'll see how the interior looked. It was a mess. The previous owner was kind of dirty, but Thomas got it back to where it needs to be. I mean, I know it's kind of cheap, but overall we painted the seats, the door panels, the dashboard, the carpets. We all spent probably I say at least 50 at most. We'd rather spend $50 than spend like $300, $400 for a whole brand new interior. But yeah guys, let us know what Thomas should do next to his interior. He's thinking about getting a new steering wheel or a touchscreen radio. Let me know what I should do to my BMW. But yeah guys, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. As always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
Ain't nobody know you anymore.